How to sharpen a pole saw blade. A blunt blade ultimately defeats the purpose of trimming and cutting, wouldn't you agree? For those who are unsure of how to correctly and safely sharpen the blade of your trusty pole saw, don't worry. This video will walk you through the 2 sharpening methods, file and grinder, and tips to get that saw ready and sharp in no time. Step-by-step guide, how to sharpen a pole saw blade. We've divided the process into 3 simple steps. In this tutorial, we will also teach you the 2 ways to sharpen a pole saw, using a file or grinder. Any of these 2 methods should get back the sharpness of your pole saw in minutes. Cool fact, the same method is also applicable for sharpening a chainsaw chain. Wear gloves, eye goggles, and a long-sleeved shirt. Step 1. Secure and clean. If the pole saw is attached to the pruner pole, unscrew it first. You only need the saw blade. Next, you'll need a tool to secure your saw blade before you can begin. Step 2A. Metal file. One of the simplest and oldest ways to sharpen a pole saw blade is by using a file rod. If you look closely, the blade has sharp edges both in front and in back. When sharpening, start with the side from the end closest to you and work your way up to the other end. Once you're done with the back edge of the teeth, you can either flip the blade to the other direction or just shift your position to the opposite end. Repeat the filing again with the front edge of the teeth. For pole saw blades, whetstone and diamond files are highly recommended to improve the sharpness of your pole saw blade. Step 2B. Grinder. More people prefer this equipment compared to a metal file, since it's a faster and safer method if done correctly. Any type of small grinder can get the job done. But we recommend using an angle grinder as it's easier to control. Start with the back portion of the teeth. Lower down the angle grinder and slide the disc against each side. Precaution tip, the direction of the grinder should be away from you. Do this for all teeth from the back side. Repeat the process from the front and work your way to the other side of the pole saw blade. Step 3. Finishing touches. We're down to the last step. Spray some lubricating oil. This keeps the blade shiny and prevents rust and any corrosion. Adding oil regularly improves the durability and keeps the sharpness of your pole saw.